If you indulge us these few minutes, this short video may very well change your trading life. I am Baggett at Stock Market Caddy, and today is Wednesday, November 20th at about 3:30. I was asked by one of our newest members, Don, is this a volatility? Is this normal? Is this the way it's going to be? And the answer to that is yes. This is the low end of volatility. This is where the volatility is usually. What's been abnormal some months ago was the very low volatility. So it's a beautiful thing when you are an active trader to have this kind of volatility. We're up, we're down, we're down, we're up, and it provides us great opportunity to get in and do what we do, and which is to extract cash flow from the money flow. Now, at the end of this week, we're going to make a more complete video on all of the testing for the robot that we turned on this week. So be sure that we have your email address if you want to get a copy of this video later in the week. For annual members, please know if you've got any specific questions and you want specific details, don't hesitate to reach out. Okay, just know that. What I decided to do was to do something that I had never done before. It's crazy as it sounds. There are just so many different ways to trade. We have a strategy that we've had for a few years, courtesy of a member, Ed, and this strategy trades what we call the opening range. Now the code is beautiful. It's extremely versatile. And what it enables us to do is not only get a back test, but to get an optimization in, where we can ask the computer to tell us, in this instance, over the last 20 weeks, what is the best length of time that we should be measuring the open range? Where should the profit target be? And so forth. Now, I don't have enough time in this short video, but what I wanted you to know is that we've only turned this program on Monday morning at 9:30. It's going to trade no more than 4 times a day. We explained all this actually on Sunday. And we did it again Tuesday and Wednesday. For the week, we have had approximately just 5 trades. The winning percentage is 80%, which is consistent, better than the backtest, which told us the winning percentage should be 70. And the profit factor is up around 1.9, better than the backtest. And where to the good? Some $1,300. Now we're going to trade again tomorrow. We're going to let it run, but we won't let it run on Friday. If we were to keep this up, we're going to do well in excess of $30,000 on one mini contract over the next 20 weeks. That would be the assumption. But what I wanted also to show you is something that we did on Sunday, and that was to take the backtest results and plug them into a beautiful tool from TradeStation called the Walk Forward Optimizer. And the Walk Forward Optimizer, when I expand this, can show you so much. It can show you the robustness of the backtest. What are we likely to make over the course of a year? What is the efficiency and how to interpret it? And also, what is the consistency of profits? Upwards of 70 some odd percent. It can even tell us, let me show you this, it's pretty wild. It can show us the best days to run. Now, we did run on Monday, but this program doesn't usually like Mondays, but it does like Tuesdays and Wednesdays and a little less so on Thursday. Now, we are going to run tomorrow, but we won't run on Friday. It can even show you the timestamp. From 10 to 1 is really the best time to run this, and not run it much after 2 o'clock. This is the type of detail. This is the type of information that our traders that have gone through Q School can avail themselves of. If you are not one of our members, I just show this to you to show you what is possible and what you are up against. I am Baggett at Stock Market Caddy. If you want to learn to trade mechanically, robotically, as the prices come back, and by the way, look at Swing Machine, 58 minutes, $2,300. The volatility has just been tremendous. If we come up and break the upper end of this range that was established this morning, what is the machine going to do? It's going to go long yet again. If it doesn't make it, it won't make it. So we can't stick around for that, but we will give you an update, most likely tomorrow afternoon or on Friday. Feel free to visit stockmarketcaddy.com. If you have questions, you can email us. You can push the notification buttons for when we go live. And you're also welcome to call me any day from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. at 813-758-8263. We want to help you rid yourself of the emotions of fear and greed. Learn to trade mechanically, robotically. Why? So that you can maximize your profits, maximize your time, minimize your emotions. Hope to talk with you soon. Have fun.